Hello traders, and welcome to your market breakdown. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about pairs right now, EURJPY. It's been on an absolute tear, hitting yearly highs, but the big question on everyone's mind is, what's next? Is it time to buy the dip, or is a major reversal just around the corner? Let's break it down. Looking at the big picture on the weekly chart, the bullish momentum is undeniable. The price has surged past key levels, signaling a strong breakout. The trend is clearly up, with indicators suggesting that momentum is still rising. This has many traders looking at any pullback as a potential buying opportunity. The fundamental weakness in the Japanese yen continues to be a major driver, pushing the pair higher. However, the mood isn't entirely one-sided. As the price approaches these significant highs, a sense of caution is creeping in. We're hearing talk of the pair approaching a major supply zone, a level where sellers have historically stepped in. Some are even warning of a sharp pullback from these peaks, with the pair looking weak on shorter timeframes. This has created a classic battleground scenario, the long-term bulls versus the short-term bears. So, where are the key levels to watch? The immediate ceiling appears to be the recent high, right around 172.40 to 172.50. This is the critical resistance zone. If the price fails to break through here, we could see sellers take control. On the downside, if we do see a pullback, the first area of interest is around 171.40. Some traders are waiting for the price to drop below this level to look for signs of a reversal to get in at a discount. If that level doesn't hold, the next potential support area to watch is near 171.30. For those with a longer-term view, the major psychological level around 170.0 is being flagged as a significant buy zone. A dip to this level would likely attract a lot of buying interest, assuming the larger uptrend remains intact. So, to summarize the key takeaways, first, the long-term trend for EUJPY is strongly bullish, fueled by a breakout and a weak yen. Second, the price is currently at a critical juncture, facing major resistance around the 172.40 to 172.50 area, which has sellers on high alert. And third, key support levels to watch on any pullback are 171.40, 171.30, and the major zone at 170.0. Ultimately, the market is at a turning point. Will the bullish momentum continue to power the pair to new highs, or is the exhaustion at these levels a sign that the bears are ready to pounce? Keep a close eye on those key price levels, as they will likely dictate the next major move. Happy trading!